Samsung's next major foldable launch is almost approaching, and things are heating up faster than predicted. This time, they're not just doing two foldables. Three new players will be added to the game. Samsung intends to introduce the Galaxy Z Fold 7, the Z Flip 7, and, for the first time, a Z Flip 7 Fan Edition. According to recent rumors, manufacture of demo units for retail locations of all three devices, Fold 7, Flip 7, and Flip 7 FA, began on April 30th. That indicates that real-life movies and hands-on information will most likely appear online in the coming days. We already have a sneak glimpse from shipment information. For example, without the box or charger, the Flip 7 FE weighs around 187 grams, which is almost the same as the Flip 6. So, the Fan Edition appears to be a slightly modified Flip 6, but with Samsung's in-house Exynos chipset instead of a Snapdragon chip. However, the Z Fold 7 is the center of attention. Samsung is aiming for the thinnest folding phone yet. There's been a lot of discussion about how thin it is, and here's the truth. When fully unfurled, the phone measures 158.43 x 43 x 143.14 x 4.54 millimeters. When folded, it increases in thickness to around 9 millimeters. It measures slightly over 10 millimeters with the camera bump. So, for those who dream of having a 3.9 millimeters foldable device, the inside display was also upgraded. It now stands 143 millimeters tall, up from 132 millimeters on the Fold 6. That's a huge increase that should significantly enhance multitasking and video viewing. Let's speak about cameras now, because that's one area where Samsung does not take shortcuts. Based on what we've seen of the Galaxy S25 Edge and its 200-megapixel primary sensor, the Z Fold 7 will likely include the same powerful camera. You'll also receive the 12-megapixel ultra-wide and 10-megapixel 3x telephoto lens. Expect good images up to 5x and even 10x zoom. According to early rumors, Samsung intends to keep the Z Fold 7 priced at $1,899, as it did the Fold 6. There were plans to raise the price of all imported phones, but Trump provided a temporary hold. And now he's back with a new 25% tax on phones built outside of the US. Samsung too is among those included. If this holds true, the base model Z Fold 7 might cost roughly $475 more than before. That's correct, we've hit $2,300. And that is without any additional features. Even with pre-order bonuses like a free upgrade to 512 gigabytes of storage, that price will still be painful for many purchasers. And with choices like inexpensive Z Fold 6 variants and competitive foldables on the market, Samsung may have a difficult time justifying the premium in the United States. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.